fast forward tayo to today. You are at the top. You know, you're the box office king. I know you're not comfortable about this. You are the primetime king. Tanong, how is the view from there? What is the meaning of being there para sa'yo?
That's the thing because I don't see it that way. Kasi sa tingin ko, sa oras na ganun ang aking mindset, na narating ko na siguro yung gusto kong marating, then titigil na yung, yung room for growth.
Wala ka nang lalakbayan.
Wala ka nang lalakbayan. At para sa akin, I think, especially as an artist, marami ka dapat na pagkakataon na gusto mo pang mag-improve kasi hindi natatapos yun eh. Yun yung kagandahan sa trabaho natin dito, Boy, na wala siyang hangganan. So constantly, you can still improve your craft. Kunyari, nagawa mo ito, natapos mo ito, yung susunod, pwedeng iba naman ang gawin mo and still have that sense of fulfillment.
And you're young. I know where you're coming from. You just had a movie which was, which is the biggest earning movie in the history of Philippine cinema. So ang layo-layo pa ng lalakbayin. Pero ito yun eh. At the top, Dong, you also realize that everything is temporary.
Definitely, definitely.
Kasi ikaw yun eh. You have that sense of reality. You have that sense of humility. I would hear you talk about it.
Yeah. Kaya mahalaga na I've seen these in both sides of the spectrum. Nanggaling ako sa hindi kumita at nakita ko yung kumita. Pero mahalaga doon ay ano ba yung nagiging constant? What remains? So para sa akin, yun talaga yung yung consistency mo of wanting to produce quality material. Diba? Hindi dapat tumigil yan whether nandito ka sa failure or nandito ka sa success.
Gaano kalaki sa tagumpay mo ang husay at ang talent at gaano kalaki yung gwapo?
Mas malaki doon sa dalawang yon ang tapang siguro.
Tapang.
Oo.
Tapang. Pero
Kasi,
doon alam mong gwapo ka.
Siguro, hindi ko alam. Alam mo, sabi ng anak ko, para sa akin okay na yun. Sabi ng nanay ko at sabi...
I was just joking.
At gaya ng sabi mo, maniniwala ako.
More than anything else. Para sa akin, kabuuan. Yung karakter, yung pagkatao. You know, may kasabihan nga, di ba, that malilimutan mo minsan ang ginagawa ng kapwa, malilimutan mo ang sinasabi ng kapwa, but you will never forget how people make you feel.
That's true.
And you have that gift of making people feel good around you.